Alright, so I have attached this IPYNB file as well. You can either open it in Google Colab like this, okay? And then you also need to make sure that you are importing abstracts and the stop words list over here in this files section. Alright, I personally find this option really troublesome, so I'm just going to copy the code from here. Alright, and I'm going to open my files. I'm going to say I'm going to open my console first, and I'm going to create a virtual environment here. I'm going to say python 3 -m venv k24149, and I'm going to say venv. Alright, so after the creation of my virtual environment, I'm just going to get in my virtual environment, and I'm going to run my code editor, which is Z. I'm going to close this. Now I need to activate my virtual environment, so I'm going to say source bin activate. My virtual environment is now activated. I'm going to go ahead, right click here, create a file and name it anything, but make sure to have a .py extension to it. Alright, so after doing this, I'm going to head to my browser, copy the code from here, Control C, Control V, and after doing this, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, wait, first let me see if I have downloaded all the requirements, and no, I haven't. So I'm going to first go ahead and say pip3 install nltk. Alright, it's done. So now I can go ahead and say python 3 and the name of my file, which is main.py. Alright, wait, stop word file path. Okay, now it's throwing an error because I don't have my abstract and stop words list in the same directory. So I'll go ahead and get my stop words file over here. Let me just get rid of this. Okay, Windows 4, this should open my files, and I have my stop words over here. So I'll just Control C, I'll click here, and then Control V. Okay, this doesn't work, so I'll just drag them here. Alright, this works. Now I'm going to go ahead, clear my terminal, and then run this again, and this time it will work, and it does. Now it's asking me for a query. What I can do, I can just go ahead to the classroom, take the ground truth from here, and run these queries. And the good part about this compared to the GUI example is that it has both the results in order and according to their score. Alright, so that's one good part about this implementation. So I'm going to run deep, and it will present the output not only sorted by document ID but also sorted by the scores. Alright, so I can, if I want to just find out the top 5 documents, I can just see like this. So yeah, now let's go ahead and run another query. Which one? Let's go ahead and run synergy analysis. Control C, Shift Insert, and this actually deviates from the ground truth, and this is significant deviation, probably because I'm using some different tactic. Maybe in the original implementation stemming has been used, and I have used lemmatization on my hand. I'm going to go ahead, enter another query, and this time we can see that the doc IDs are actually really accurate. 178, 362, same as mentioned over here. Let's go ahead and search Bayesian non-parametric, or maybe that could be because of the space character. Yeah, because of the space character as well. It could have been because of the space character. So I'll just go ahead, hit enter here. I found 22 documents, 16, 35, 39, 62, 65, 93, 117, 118, 119, 155, 196, 243, 244, 255, 271, 290. Yep. 324, 332, 370. So yeah. Then we have 440, 442, and 448, and that also matches. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and run diabetes and opacity. Shift insert. I'll get rid of the space. I see 3 matching documents that are 72, 148, and 391, and this is also right. I'll go ahead and run ensemble now. I find 23 documents here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 32, 52, 89. Then we have 105, 120, 171, 98, 229, 256, 260, 268, 284, and this completely matches as well. Alright, now let's go ahead and run Markov as the query here. Shift insert. Alright, 11, 16, 22, 69, 110, 129, 289. Alright, this perfectly matches as well. I'm going to run prioritize and critical correlate now, and this will be the last query for this demo. Let's see. 37, 44, 52, 101, 104, 112, 118, 138, 140, 166, 195, 208, 218. Yes. Then we have 227, 230, 239. Yes. 250, 257, 281, 283, 298, 318, 322, 354. Yes. 370, 422, 426, and 436. Yep. This also perfectly matches. So this would be it for this demo, and I'm going to end the video here. Alright.